In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert minute data to hours in Excel. This is a very simple calculation, and once you know the formula, you can apply it to a full column of minute values in just a few seconds. If your minute data is stored in cell A2, the goal is to convert that number into hours by dividing by 60, since there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Start by clicking on an empty cell where you want the hour result to appear. This can be in the same row as your minute value, usually in a nearby column so your worksheet stays easy to read. Once that empty cell is selected, type the formula equals A2 divided by 60. In Excel, that will look like equals A2, then a /, then 60. After entering the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the result and display the number of hours based on the minutes in cell A2. For example, if A2 contains 120, the formula will return 2 because 120 minutes equals 2 hours. If the number of minutes does not divide evenly by 60, Excel will show a decimal result. That is normal, because partial hours are represented as decimals. If you need to convert more than one row of minute data, you do not have to type the formula again and again. Click the cell that contains the formula you just entered. Then drag the fill handle down through the rest of the rows where you want the same calculation applied. Excel will automatically adjust the cell reference for each row, which makes this much faster and helps avoid manual errors. One important thing to check is the cell format of your results. If the output does not look right, go to the Home tab and make sure the result cells are set to General or Number format. This matters because if the cells are formatted in a way that is not suitable for regular numeric results, the values may not display as expected. Setting the format to General or Number ensures that your converted hour values appear clearly. That is really all you need to do. Select an empty cell, enter equals A2 divided by 60, press Enter, drag the formula down if needed, and confirm the result cells are formatted as General or Number. That covers everything you need to know.